Hi guys, Beard here, and tonight for you I'm going to pick a tricircle. And everyone goes, oh, tricircle, lovely looking shiny locks. Well, here is, if you're not familiar with a tricircle, it's a Chinese made padlock. This one happens to be a 264, and I'm sure a few of you have seen these picked before. Lovely little locks. The one I am going to pick for you tonight, if I put that in shot, is its big brother. It came in its proper lovely packaging and everything else. I think you can guess now how big this lock might be. This is the biggest one I know of. I did send a larger one to a collector. Well, not a larger one than this one, but its sister. And this one will be heading in the same direction. This is the 267, and as you can see, this one nearly fits inside the shackle. So yes, 264 and the 267. So this is the bad boy I'm going to try and pick for you tonight. So we'll put him to bed and have a look at this one. This is my hand, this is the lock. It is big, it is heavy, it is weighty. A couple of things I have noticed about it is tolerances in the shackle are absolutely mammoth. You could probably fit a smaller tricircle down the side there, and it is on both sides, so it does have flaws. It isn't a particularly hard pick either, although the fitting on that is pretty darn good, I think. I will put the key in and we'll hear it snap open. Headphones on, turn your volume down, because there it is. And yeah, it's a bit of slop. It's a bit of a worn one, I think, and it is just a standard, excuse the glare, standard locking pulls in there as well. It's not key retaining. Let's take the key out. Sure, it's locked up. So here comes the fun bit. You're trying to pick it in hand. I've tried it in a vice. It doesn't like it. Or I'm not very good at picking it in a vice. It tends to slop around a bit. It's got a slight bow on the outside, and getting it in my vice is a bit of a pain. So you can see the core has got quite a bit of slop on it, but it's still locked up. So over tension in this can be a bit of a problem as well. I'm going to use a homebrew pick, not my home, someone else's, and try and get this thing opened for you. Like I say, it's not a difficult pick, and it could be raked open quite easily, etc, etc, but I just thought, whilst I've still got it in my possession before it goes off to its final resting place, the display cabinet in the sky, I thought I would pick it. I'm pretty sure the new owner is going to do a video of it being picked, and they'll do it in easily double quick time to mine. So holding it is probably part of the challenge. So there it is picked. You think, no it's not, yes it is, ready? There you go. So there it is picked. There it is locked up again, and just get the keys and show it back in working order. So I'd hate to send it off broken. There we go. So there we go. The Tricircle 267, made in China. Nice weighty beast. Picked. Thanks for watching, guys. Beard out.